Here we go. So, welcome to the new beginning. This is Candido Gonzalez. I am going to show you how to make money online. A lot of people have been asking about it, so this is a quick way to make money. digistore24.com. You go to this website right here, and then you sign up free right here. And boom, you see, you go here, you put all your information in, your username, your email address, choose your password, blah, 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 zip code, United States, right there, right? And you register, okay? I already registered, so this is my website. I'm already in there. So you go here to the marketplace, and this is where you will find the things, product name, whatever. You see, like this one is my man Wesley $1 billion version, his overnight millionaire system. You could buy it here, or you could just go to his affiliate support. Sorry if you hear my kids upstairs. And you go to the affiliate support page, and you go here, and you could sign up. Yes, I want an easy cash. Boom, boom, boom. You put your whatever, blah, 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 and you go there. And that's how you do it to get into his thing, okay? And then once you do that, then you could click on this link right here. Boom, take the link, and you could put it on videos. You could put it on Facebook, Instagram, whatever you have, and that's how you make money. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes they'll give you videos and stuff. If you go, they'll give you videos and stuff, and you could take the videos, and if you have a YouTube account, you could put it on your YouTube. And because that's the way I do it. I have my YouTube account. I have two. I have a sales page, and then I have my inspirational channel where I talk to people and I make videos to try to make them feel good about themselves. So yeah, that's the way you could do this. Look, you could go to Tube Mastery, and you could pick them, and your earning would be, you see, 175.46. You get 50% commission, and you go here again, boom, and you go there, and that's how you do it, man. And there's plenty of more, and you could keep going down and down and down, and you can make, there's plenty of them, you see, and you go down, and there's more and more and more. And that's how you do it, people. It's not hard, man. They got pages and pages about this, man. And you can even go here: business, investment, computer, internet, dance music, email marketing, educational. You could do all kinds of stuff, man. It's almost like ClickBank a little bit. ClickBank is another page that you could go, man, and you click on it, and you make some money out of it too, man. So yeah, man, this is the way that if you want to make money at home, this is a good way to do it, man. You just do this, and you go on a computer, and you find these websites like ClickBank, you know, digistore24, Amazon. You could do all of those, man, and this is how you make money, man. It's not hard, man. First I thought it was hard, but it's really not, man. It's easy, simple to do. You could take an hour or two doing this, or you could take a couple more hours than that and just make money, man, and let money come to you. So yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me my thumbs up. Check out my Instagram, my Facebook, my YouTube, and I will see you in the next one.